Yes, now students, see, so now we are going to do workbook problems in our chapter numbers up to 100. Numbers up to 100, we are going to do workbook problems. Okay. See here, in the first book, first bit what he has given. So write the number names. Number names we have to write. Some numbers are given, so that number names we have to write. That number names we have to write. The first one 68, 68 is given. 68 means 68, 60, 68, 68, 68. Next B. Here 84 is given. 84, 84, 84, 84, 80, 84, 84. Next C. 57, 57. This is 57, 57. Then D. 4, 4, 44, 4, 4, 44. FOUR 44, FOUR 4. Next E. 7, 7, 77, 70, 77, 77. Next F. 9, 7, 9, 7, 97, 97, 9, 7, 97. Next G. 9, 3, 93, 90, 93. So 9, 3, 93. Then H. 7, 5, 7, 5, 75, 75, 7, 5, 75. Next 7, 0, 7, 0, 70, 7, 0, 70. Next 1, 6, 16. Next 5, 0, 50, 5, 0, 50. Next 9, 0, 90, 9, 0, 90. Next 2, 2, 22, 2, 2, 22, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 3, 23, 23, 2, 3, 23. So these numbers we have to write in number names. Okay. Yes, now students, the next one, the color the correct number. Correct number we have to color. So see here 87, 87 is given. 87 means 8, 7, 8, 7, 87. Where it is 8, 7? Here 8, 7, 8, 7, 87. So you color here 87. So this we have to color this one. Okay, 87. So this we have to color 87. Next 99. 99 means 9, 9, 99, 9, 9, 99. Here 9, 9, 99. So color this one. 9, 9, 99, 9, 9, 99. Okay. Then after that, here one less, one more. So one less, one more. One less means before number we have to write. One more means after number we have to write. Less number comes left side. More number comes after means right side. So here less means before number we have to write, and more means we have to write after number. Okay. Here 98 is given. 98 more. One more means the very next number we have to write. 98. After 98 which number will come? 99. 99. So then 99 one more. 99 one more means 100, 100. After 99 which number will come? 100, 100. So here 100. Here 98 one less. One less means before number we have to write. Before which number will come? 98 before number is 97. 97, 97. And after that 97 one less is before 97 which number will come? 96, 96. Okay. So like this we have to write after numbers and before numbers. One more means after number, one less means before number we have to write. Okay. Now here 79. 79 one more means very next number after 79. 80, 80, 80. Then 80 one more again. 80 after number is 80. 81, 81. After number we have to take. One more means very next number. Very next means after number. Next here 79. The same number 79, one less. Left side one less means before number. 79 before is 78, 78. 78 we have to write. And 78 after 78 again one less means 78 before number we have to write. 78 before number is 77, 77. 77, 77. So like this we have to write one less and one more. More means, so after, less means before number we have to write. So in this bit more two questions were there, the two similar questions that you have to do as your home assignment. Okay students. Now in this next bit count backward, so and fill in the missing numbers. So we have to count backward and we have to fill the missing numbers. Backward means before numbers we have to write. Before numbers we have to take and write. So whenever backward is given, backward counting means before numbers we have to write. Then 20 before is 19, 20 before is 19, 19 before is 18, 18 before is 17, 17 before 16, 16 before 15, 15 before is 14, 14 before number 13, 13 before number 12, 12 before number that is 11 given. Okay. So like this, if backward counting is given, that means backward means, so before numbers we have to write. Before numbers we have to write in the blanks, okay, in the missing places. So once you check in the reverse order from, so 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now in the second 33, 33 before number is 32, 32 before number is 31, that is given. 31 before is 30, 30 before number is 20, 29, 29, 29, 30 before number is 29, 29, 29, 29 before number is 28, 28 before number is 27, and 27 before number is 26, and 26 before number is 25, 25 before number is 24. Okay. Now you check your answer. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. After 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay. So here backward means, so before numbers we have to write. Okay. Now next question, skip by 2. Skip by 2 and write. Skip 2 numbers and write your number. 73, skip by 2. 74, 75. 75, skip by 2, 75, 76, 77, given. 77, skip by 2 again. 78, 79, it is given. 79, skip by 2. 80, 81. 81, skip by 2. 82, 83. 83. 83 skip by 2, 84, 85, that 85 we have to write. Okay. Then in the next 66 is given, first skip by 2, 66, 67, 68, 68, 68 skip by 2, 69, after that 70, 70, 70, 70, 70 skip by 2, 71, 72, 72, 72 skip by 2, 73, 74, 74 skip by 2, 75, 76 given, 76 skip by 2, 77, 78, 78, 76 skip by 2 is 77, 78. Now here 85, 85 after 85 skip by 2, 86, 87, then 87, after 87 skip by 2 again, 87, 88, 89, 89, 89 again skip by 2, after 89 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 91, that is given, 91 skip by 2, 92, 93, 93, 93, 93, 93 skip by 2, 94, 95, 95, 95, then 95 skip by 2, 96, 97, it is given. Okay, skip by 2. In this way we have to skip and we have to write. Okay. Now the students see here tens and ones, tens and ones. The first bit, draw the correct number of bits in the following. The first one in the back side is given. So what is there here? 66. 66 means 6 tens and 6 ones. 6 tens, 6 ones, that is 66. Then this is in tens, this is in ones. In tens, how many bits we have to draw? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In ones, how many bits we have to take? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits we have to take in tens as well as in ones. Why? Because it is 66 given. Here next 95. 95 means 9 tens, 5 ones. 9 tens, 5 ones. In tens, this is our tens and this is our ones. In tens, we have to draw 9 bits. How many bits? 9 bits we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In ones, 5 bits we have to draw. How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So in this way we have to draw according to the number, according to given number. How many tens are there and then how many ones are there? So in tens place that many bits we have to draw, and in ones that many bits we have to draw on abacus. Okay. Next bit, students. So write these numbers in tens and ones. Tens and ones, it is also called expanded form. In the reader we discuss how to write in expanded form in tens and ones. First 85. So how this 85? 8 tens, that is 80 plus 5. It is also called 8 tens, 5 ones. How it is called? 8 tens plus 5 ones. 8 tens is 80, 5 ones is 5. Then 94, 90 plus 4, 90 plus 4, it means 9 tens plus 4 ones, 4 ones. It is also called expanded form. 63. So what is this 63? 60 plus 3, 60 means 6 tens, write 6 tens, 6 tens plus 3 ones, 6 tens plus 3 ones, 63. 57, that is 50 plus 7, 50 plus 7 means 5 tens plus 7 ones, 7 ones, that is 57. Then 76, how this 76? 7 tens and 6 ones, that is 70 plus 6, 76. 7 tens plus 6 ones. Then 82, 80 plus 2, 80 plus 2, 82. That means 8 tens plus 2 ones, that is 82. Okay. So, this is also called expanded form. Expanded form. Okay, students. Now, the next one, write these numbers here. 8 tens and 3 ones. 8 tens and 3 ones. What it is? 8 tens, 3 ones, 83. 83. 6 tens, 8 ones. 6 tens and 8 ones, 68. 68. 7 tens and 2 ones, 72. 72. 9 tens, 6 ones, that is 96. 96. 5 tens, 4 ones, 54. Then 6 tens, 2 ones, that is 62. 62. Okay. So, in this form, so if tens and ones is given, so we have to write the numbers in this way. Okay. So, more questions are there, similar questions, that similar questions in this bit, that is your home assignment. Okay. Now, students, in expanded form, so write in expanded form. So, how to write in expanded form before we discuss how to write in expanded form. 76, then how to take 76? 70 plus 6, 76. 69, how the 69? 60 plus 9 is 69. 73, 73 means 70 plus 3, 73. 88 means 80 plus 8, 88. 80 plus 8, 88. 92, 90 plus 2, 92. 90 plus 2, 92. 85, it is 80 plus 5, it is very easy. It is very easy in expanded form. If 85 is there, then 80 plus 5. If 72 is there, 70 plus 2. If 35 is there, then 35, 30 plus 5. Okay. So, in this way you have to write. Okay. The next, the second bit. So, write the serial numbers in the boxes to match the numeral on the abacus. Abacus. So, this is abacus, this is tens and this is ones. First we have to count how many. So, how many bits are there in tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that 4 you have to take, 4. Then how many bits are there in ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 46. What is the numeral? 46 is the numeral. Next, in this second one, this is tens and this is ones. In tens place, first you count how many bits were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take 6 here. And in ones place, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 68. The number is 68. First we have to count how many bits are there in tens and in ones. According to that, so that number we have to write in tens as well as in ones place. Okay. Now, next one. So, the next concept, comparing numbers. How to compare the numbers? So, the first one, color the smallest number. Smallest number we have to color. How to decide the number is the smallest or the biggest? So, we have to see the tens place value first. In tens place, whatever is the smaller, that is the smaller. Okay. Here in tens place 7 is there, here 8 is there, here 4 is there, here 9 is there. 7, 8, 4, 9. 4 is a smaller. So, color this one, color this 40. Okay. This is the smallest one. Next, here 80, 60, 90, 40. Smallest one. Here in tens place 8 and tens place 6, tens place 9, tens place 4. 8, 6, 9, 4. 4 is a smaller, that means 40 is the smaller. Color this one, okay, this 40. Next, 67, 89, 72, 57. Here in tens place 6, here 8, here 7, here 5, 6, 8, 7, 5. In 6, 8, 7, 5, 5 is a smaller, so 57 is a smaller. So this one is smaller, color this one. The next 84, 48, 44, 88. Now tens place we have to check. 8, 4, 4, 8. 8, 4, 4, 8 means 4 is a smaller. These two are smaller. So if these two are equal in tens place, now you check in ones place. If in tens place the number is equal, then we go for ones place. So 8 and 4, in between 8 and 4, 4 is a smaller. So 44 is a smaller. 44 is a smaller. So color this 44. Okay. So like this we have to decide and we have to color the smallest one. Okay. First what we have to do, we have to check in tens place. In tens place whatever is a smaller number is there, that is a smaller. If in tens place, if both the numbers equal in tens place, then you go for ones place. So in ones place whatever is the smaller, that is the smallest number. Okay students. Okay. Now students see here, so encircle the largest number. In comparing numbers, encircle the largest number. So largest number, how to decide? The same method. So we have to check tens place, what is there in tens place. In the tens place largest number is there, then that is the larger number. 87, 95, 78, 64. Here in tens place 8 is there, 9 is there, 7 is there, 6 is there. 8, 9, 7, 6. 9 is the largest, then circle that one. 95 is the largest one. Here 58, 43, 89, 94. 58, 43, 89, 94 means here 5, 4, 8, 9. In 5, 4, 8, 9, 9 is larger, 94 we have to circle. Next 87, 95, 99, 56. 8, 9, 9, 5. Here 9 is larger, we have two 9s in tens. So here 9 and here 9. So in these two equal tens place values were there, so then you check ones place values. 5 and 9. If two equal values are there in tens, two equal numbers are there in tens, then you go for ones. Ones place, check in ones place 5 and 9. So which one is a bigger? 9 is a bigger. So 99 is the largest number. Now 65, 90, 43, 13. 6, 9, 4, 3. 6, 9, 4, 3. 9 is larger. So 90 is the largest number. Okay. The next, ordering the number. So ordering the means smallest to bigger, bigger to smaller we have to write according to the question. According to the question, here write the numbers in order from least to the greatest. Least we have to write first. Least means in 70, 59, 4 and 88. 4 is a single digit number, that is the smallest one, the least. In the remaining 3, 70, 59, 88, so we have to check tens place value. 7, 5, 8. 5 is the least, that we have to take 59 next. Then after that 7, that is 70. Then after that 88. In this order we have to write from least to greatest. Here 79, 61, 19, 97. Now how to write these values from least to highest? Tens place value you have to check. 7, 6, 1, 9. 7, 6, 1, 9 means 1 is the least. It means 19 comes first. Then after that, after 1, 6, that is 61. After 6, 7, that is 79. After 7, 97. 9 will come 97. So in this way we have to arrange the numbers from least to highest. In this bit more, two questions, similar questions were there. That two similar questions you do as your home assignment. Okay students. Now here, see here. So in this we have to keep the given signs. What? This is greater than symbol, this is less than symbol, this is equal to symbol. So greater than, less than or equal to. In these three symbols, any one symbol we have to use. Here 75 and 49. So once you check which one is greater and which one is least. Here in tens place 7 is there, here 4 is there. 7 and 4, 7 is greater. So 75 is greater than 49. In the same 84 and 95, here 8 is there, here 9 is there. It means in tens place 8 is there, here 9 is there. This is the least one. 84 is less than 95. 84 is less than 95. The next 81 and 18. Here in tens place 8 is there, here in tens place 1 is there. So 8 is bigger. So 81 is greater than 18. Then 47, 42. Now you compare tens. 4 and 4, they are equal. In tens place equal numbers are there, then you go for ones. 7 and 2. 7 is bigger. It means 42 is greater. 42 is greater than 40. 47 is greater than 42. The next 68 and 68, both are equal. Both are equal. It is very easy. Then 48 and 25. Here in tens place 4 is there, here in tens place 2 is there. In 4 and 2, 4 is greater. Means 48 is greater than 25. 55 and 45. In tens place 5 is there, in tens place 4 is there. Means 5 is greater. 55 is greater than 45. Now 85 and 90. In tens place 8 is there, in tens place 9 is there. Means 9 is bigger, 8 is smaller. Means 85 is less than, this is less than. Okay. According to tens place and ones place, we have to decide and say which one is the least and which one is the greatest. Okay. Now, here in the words given, so we have to use which one is correct in this, greater than, less than or equal to that. So, the symbol we have to use according to that. 19 first. 19 means 19. 90 means 90. Now you check. Here in tens place 1 is there, here in tens place 9 is there. 1 is less, means 19 is less than 90. Now here 84. 84 means 84, 84. Here 64, 64, 64. Now you check. What is there in tens place? 8. What is there in tens place? 6. In 8 and 6, which one is the least? 6 is the least and 8 is the greatest one. Means 84 is greater than, this is greater than symbol. Here 88, 80, this is 88, 78, sorry, this is 78, not 88, 78, this is 78, this is 87. Okay. In 78, 87 compare. So, what is there in tens place? 7. In tens place 8. In 7 and 8, so which one is the least? 78. It means 78 is less than 87. 78 is less than 87. Okay, students? Okay. Yes, now students, see here in the brain booster. So, what he has given? So, write the missing numbers in the bubbles. So, whatever the missing numbers are there, so that missing numbers we have to write in the bubbles. Okay. So, see here 50, 51, 52, 53 is given, after that 54, then 55, 56, then 57, 58 is given, then 59, 60, 61 is given, 62 is given, then after that 63, then 64, 65 is given, then after that 66, 67, then 68, then after that 69 is given, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 is given, Then after that 75, 76, 77, 78 is given, 79, 80. Then after that 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88 is given, 89 is given, then after that 90, 90, then 91, 91, 92, 93 is given, 94, 95, 96, 97 is given, then 98, then 99. After that you reach your target here 100, 100, 100. This is your final target. Okay. So like this, in the bubbles, whatever the missing numbers are there, you have to fill in the bubbles. Okay. In your textbook, bubbles are given. So in that way you have to fill the missing numbers in the bubbles. Okay. Now students, see here in enrichment activity. So what he has given, use your knowledge of hundreds chart. This is 100 chart. So fill in the empty boxes on the puzzle. So in this puzzle, so whatever empty boxes were there, that empty boxes we have to fill. So we have to use our knowledge. So one clue is given here, one piece. This is one piece, this is second, this is third part, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth, this is seventh, and this is eighth. Total 8 parts were given. So in this, one solution is given here, see. So once we observe this solution, if horizontal is there, so horizontal, whenever horizontal is there, so then we have to increase 1, 1. So serial numbers will come 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So when horizontal line is there, so we have to take serial numbers. So when vertical line is there, so then we have to skip 10, 10 numbers like 19, 29, 39, 49, 59. These two things keep in your mind. So when horizontal line, when we are going to fill a horizontal line, then you have to write serial numbers. Then vertical lines, you have to skip 10 numbers. Okay. Now see here, this first part we are going to do here 11. First I want to take one. This is vertical line. In this vertical line we have to skip 10, 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. This 10 we have to skip. So in this vertical, so we have to take serial numbers 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is over. This part is over. Okay. Now this part 15, 16, this is horizontal line. Serial numbers we have to take. 15 is given. 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So this is a vertical line. In vertical line we have to skip 10, 19, 29, 39, 49. So this second part is over. This is second part. Okay. First is over, second is over. Whenever vertical is there, means vertical is there like this, we have to skip 10 numbers. So then horizontal is there, we have to take serial numbers. Okay. Now here, this is horizontal, this is not horizontal, this is vertical. 56, after that 66, after that 76, 76. Here this is horizontal line. Then horizontal line how to fill? 76 before 75. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Then after that this is vertical. Then 77, after that 87 we have to write. This is the third one. This is the third one. This is first part, this is second part, and this is third part. Okay. Now, so here this fourth 88, this is What is this? This is horizontal. We have to write serial numbers. 88 before number is 87, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Okay. This is vertical. 87 before is 77, 77, 87 and 97. 89, 99 here. Here 99. 10, 10 we have to skip in vertical. In horizontal we have to write serial numbers. This is the fourth part is over. Next, in fifth part, 44. Here 44, here 43, here 42 before numbers 42, 43, 44, 45. Now this horizontal row is over. Now vertical we have to write 45, here 35, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 10, 10 we have to skip. Then this is horizontal. So then we have to write serial numbers 65, 66, 67. So this is your fifth part. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now this one, how to complete this one? This is horizontal serial numbers we have to write. 63 is given, 64, 65 and 66. This is before number also we have to write 62. This is vertical, so 64 is 54, 44, 34 we have to write. Okay. This is sixth part is over. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now seventh. This is horizontal. Horizontal means serial numbers we have to write 25, 26 here. Then after that 24, before number is 23. 23, 24, 25, 26. Then in vertical we have to skip 10, 10. 26, 16, 6. 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56. This is your seventh part. Seventh part. In this way you have to fill the missing numbers. Only two things. One, whenever you are going to complete horizontal, then you take serial numbers. When you are going to fill vertical, then you skip 10, 10 numbers. Then after numbers, before numbers also you have to remember. Whenever before number need, then you take before number. When you need after number, then you write after number. Okay. 10 10s when we are going to skip 10 10 numbers, before numbers if you want, then skip 10 numbers before and what number will come, so that you think and write. Okay. Use your knowledge and complete this one. Okay.